Hello once again. Today in this video, I will be talking about ETFs and the basics of what ETFs really are. But before we begin, I am pleased to share that we have another upcoming live webinar in December where I will be conducting a deep dive masterclass on Zoom about ETF investing. You can start registering your interest in the link on the video description section below. Take this opportunity to interact with me live and with the community by asking me questions and also share your thoughts on the topic. Hello everyone, welcome back to SDA Club, the club for stock trading and analysis. This channel is dedicated to providing you with high quality tutorials, guides and insights that demystify the world of trading. Join us as we will share more trading secrets and valuable insights. To stay updated and to be the first to access these valuable resources, hit the subscribe button now. By subscribing, you're opening the door to a world of trading and maximizing your potential for success. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. It's not a call to buy or sell. So, what is an ETF? An ETF, or exchange traded fund, is a type of investment that pools money from many investors to buy a collection of assets like stocks, bonds, or commodities. These funds are traded on a stock exchange throughout the day, just like individual stocks, which offers flexibility and real-time pricing. ETFs are a popular way to achieve diversification with a single purchase and often have lower costs than traditional mutual funds. ETFs can be categorized by asset class, management style, and strategy, including equity and bond ETFs. Other types include commodities, such as precious metal or oil, indices, which mirrors a specific market index, actively managed funds that are professionally managed to outperform an index, and inverse and leveraged ETFs, which use derivatives to amplify gains or bet against the market. There are approximately 12,400 ETFs available worldwide, with more than 4,300 in the United States alone. The market is growing rapidly, with new ETFs being launched across various asset classes and sectors to meet investor demand. Therefore, each ETF category caters to an investor's or trader's specific requirement. Which ETF suits you best really depends on your risk appetite. So, is it true that ETFs are safer than stock picking? Investing in an exchange-traded fund is generally considered to be safer than stock picking, primarily due to the inherent diversification that ETFs offer. This diversification reduces the impact of a single company's poor performance. However, it is important to remember that ETF investing still carries some level of risk, as the value of ETFs can fluctuate with market conditions. Before investing, you will still need to do your due diligence about the fund and how the fund actually operates. Some ETFs use derivatives and debt to amplify daily returns, for example, 2 times or 3 times leveraged ETFs of an underlying index, while some ETFs track an index on a one-to-one basis without using debt. Leveraged ETFs are riskier due to the magnified gains and losses and are typically for short-term trading, whereas non-leveraged ETFs are generally considered safer and are more suitable for long-term holdings. In my upcoming webinar, I will give you a more in-depth insight on the evolution of how ETFs came about and how I use a simple 5-step method to perform due diligence on ETFs, so stay tuned. I will also be sharing with you a strategy for ETF investing and how I use this strategy to maximize my investment returns with little effort. Lastly, do you want to know if investing in ETFs is better than stock picking individual stocks? If you are curious, you will need to attend my webinar and I will show you a study of some ETF indices performance over time. I will also be showing you a real practical case study on how my investing in index ETFs versus my own stock picking track records have fared. There will also be a Q&A session at the end of the webinar where you as the audience can ask me questions and also share with us your own thoughts on ETF investing. I will put the registration link at the video description section below, and I shall see you on the 4th of December next Thursday at 7:30 p.m. I hope you have gained something from today's video. For more information on how you can optimize your portfolio and would like to seek advice on your current investment portfolio, speak to us by replying to the WhatsApp link in the description section below, and our team can provide a personal touch and talk to you about your investment plans. See you in my next video. Goodbye.